So Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do number 3. So number 3, prompt the user to enter first name, last name. But when you display the user's full name, and you can surround it with a special character with your own. So we're going to study a little bit more feature of a string if you use string, okay? So I will ask you to click on number 3-25 and right click it and save link. I need you to do this, save link as. I already have it, so I don't need to do it, so I need you to do that right now. So I need you to save this, and we want to see more feature about this, okay? So in order to do that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to File, Close Solution, and I want to create a new project. And this new project is C++ empty project. And I'm going to call this chapter 4 classwork _3. Create. Oh, right. Okay, that's right. It's recording. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Let's resume the recording right now. All right. So right here, and I have this one right now. So remember we upload something called your drive. I already put that file into a all right. So I have the program 3-25 CPP. So I'm going to drag into the CPP. This is, I need you to drag into this first. Okay. So first drag into it right now. And after you drag into it, and double click it to show this program. Okay. So you already know you're going to read the characters. Another way to call character is called strings. If you want to read a character as a string way, you must have a string class, header file class. So now I'm reading a string right now. I'm reading a string. I have a first name, last name, full name. I also have a string called stars. Okay. I have an integer num strings, num stars. So please enter your first name, and I'm going to use getline. So getline will allow me to enter the name with a space. Please enter your last name will be allowed me to do this. So my full name will be my first name plus blank and last name. So, and string is a class. So string have some function. The function is embedded into this string. And now the first function we learn is length. This will be on the exam, okay? Will be .length. Once you have a .length here, it count how many characters right there. Count how many characters right there. So how many characters right here? If that's 40, it goes to number of stars, 40 stars. There's another, okay, special function. It's come with the string. It's assign. So the star right here, you see, it was a blank right now. The star is a blank. And it will be assigned how many characters? Depend on how many we have. And assigned by asterisk. So I see out that. Now I see out stars. The star will be this line here. Then I see out my full name and see out my star. Return 0. But before, I need to have a system path. Alright, so now I am going to run this program right now. So I build it. And I'm going to start without debugging. We start debugging. So I'm going to put my name, Shin, and you put your own name. Is that okay, Shin? You put your own name. And I put my last name, you put your last name. And now you will see if by this. So I want you to see this. I'm not going to close my thing here. I'm going to put my output here. I'll put here and I'll let you see here right now. Alright, so let me explain it to you. Okay. So enter your first name. I'll get my name Shin. So the line 13 will read first name as Shin. Please enter your last name. Line 16 will read my last name as Liu. Full name will be put Shin, and when you concave, put plus sign. So Shin and with a space and concave with my last name. That will make Shin Liu as my full name. But full name dot length will count how many characters. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters. So num start will be equal 8 right now. Num star is an integer, will be equal 8. Then star right here is blank, will be assigned 8. 8 asterisk. So when I finish, star is 8 asterisk. So when I see out end of line, that will be end of line here. See out star, so will be see out 8. 8. This will be give you 8 asterisks. And put my full name and another 8 asterisks. Okay. So this will conclude this program. You learn a lot new feature. Number one feature you learn is you repeat. You are using string class. String class, you learn this, you learned it before, getline. Getline. This will allow you to read input string without space. Alright? Then you also learn another new feature is you can concave 2 strings together. 3 strings. Right now is first name plus blank plus last name. You also learn another feature. It's called .length. You did not write it. It's embedded in string.class. And .length will give you how many characters, how many characters of that string. You also learn something called assign. It will give you how many characters is that and assign all by asterisk. So if I change this to $sign, if I change this to $sign and I rerun it, so this asterisk will become $sign. Okay, so I want you to see that. Let me close it. I build it right now. I rebuild it. And I start without debugging. So I put my Shin, and now it's all $sign right now. I hope you understand this program, and I hope you enjoy the new feature, new function you learn from the string class. Okay, so